Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my name is Akuapem.
Akuapem.
Hey, who called you? You is new here. Me is not see before.
Well, I'm just coming back from Accra. I'm on a post.
Accra. Yes. Hey, Accra, man.
Please, can you help me with the direction to the government school of this village?
Nice school.
It's a school.
You pass here. You go, and you turn left. And you go. Turn right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, what a direction. Thank you. Thank you very much. You will take it easy on the sun, huh? Yes, I'm sure I'll see you guys around. Nice one. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. You're bad.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
These are our new national service personnel. And they are going to be with us for some time. I will allow them to introduce themselves. Madam.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
My name is Araba, and I will be taking you through social studies.
Good morning, student. Good morning, sir. My name is Uchuchu. Uchuku. And I'll be taking you on pre-tech. Thank you.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Akuapem.
Akuapem.
I'll be taking you on maths.
Sir, please, your zip.
Yes. All right. Indeed, they will be with us for some time, and I need your maximum cooperation and respect.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But one last word. I know some of you are witches. You fly in the night under the cover of darkness. These are very innocent souls. Don't even plan under darkness to take their intestines to go on top of the tree and start chopping. It will not work. You hear? I know the witches, so I know the witches. Okay. Let's let go. You are now coming to school. Look at you.
Sir, it's clearly not my fault, sir.
Clearly not your fault. As usual. It's not your fault. It's my fault, isn't it?
Sir, few miles to the school, my diesel got finished.
Diesel?
Yeah, my bicycle uses diesel. It's amazing how far technology has gone. Let me show you.
No, there is no need for that. No need for that. Anyway, these are the new national service personnel for this year. And they are here with us. All I want you to do is to take good care of them. In fact, be good to each other.
Oh, no problem, sir. I will personally take them on a trip and show them our beautiful village.
Yes, I know. That's all you know. And then, girls. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Let me show you around, eh?
It's me, Chuku. You should see your face.
This is not funny. Don't you ever do that again.
There's somebody who cannot play with you.
I am not your playmate, okay? See, now if you want to play with somebody, you can go around the village and look for somebody that you can play your silly games with.
Hey, hold it there. Oh, please. Oh, what? Eh? Oh, hey, me. Do you know where I come from that I am a prince? Do you know I'm a prince in Nigeria? That I eat 2 crates of eggs every morning with fruit juice. Mango is my favorite. My friend, don't disrespect me. What is this? Eh? I'm even trying to keep you cool, to talk to you. You tell disrespect. My friend, please.
You are a prince. You are a prince.
Eh?
A prince indeed.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You will hear from my prince. You will hear from my priest. Me. Don't forget we are in the same house. Don't forget. You. Chuku. You will hear. Don't worry. Me. Chooks. Chuku. You too. I don't know what you are doing inside that kitchen, eh? This small food I went to borrow. Wait, I'm patient. Oh, but why? Why? Envious of my school. This small food I went to borrow now, you are taking it personal. Why? You want to eat more than me? Why are you so greedy? Mix the food. Let's eat.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? Beautiful. I got you hurry up with the dog food. Which food? The dog food you're preparing. Hurry up. Which dog food? Which dog are you talking about? Because I don't understand what you are saying. The owners of the dog have not eaten. How can a dog eat? What are you talking about? Which dog? His dog. Ebenezer.
Wait. Are you people telling me that this food is for a dog?
No. Oh, yes. Oh, Gary. We eat Gary.
Amala mitu there. Comment them.
Oh, why? Do you know my dog? Oh. Ebenezer. He's our dog.
I am so famished.
I can see. Because he takes someone who is very famished to eat dog food. I don't eat Gary. No, we do.
Very nice.
Like it?
I love it.
You're taking the rest away.
Yes. I'll see you guys later.
So let's keep this one. So we just...
This one. Bye-bye.
You see? He has taken the dog food.
You are very stupid. In fact, I don't know where in Nigeria you are from because you think just like the way you look.
Oh, no, wait. Wait. Are we supposed to... Oh, hi! How are you?
You like Russian too much.
Oh, wait.
So,
Even village
I hear
girl.
that...
Village girl. Don't die. Okay. It's okay.
So, I hear that you people come from Accra.
Oh yes.
Oh, yes. We are Accra.
So that place they have big houses and flying cars.
In fact, we have beautiful things. We even have chickens that have 4 legs and 7 wings that can fly higher.
You are serious?
Yeah, they're serious.
Yeah, that place must be fun, eh?
It's beautiful. Very beautiful.
It depends.
Depends. You need visa application. You need
You need a passport.
You need. He looks angry.
Boss, if you need a pass, we are busy.
It's man of the village.
Adole, what are you doing here?
See, these people are visitors. Yeah, I'm just trying to make them feel at home.
Yes, she is a very nice person, and we as lecturers, right? We are just passing, and she's being nice. And
Mister, please stay away from my family. I'm talking to my wife.
So, Lomote, you are saying that because I am married, I cannot talk to people.
You see, sir, your wife is a very beautiful person. We are just new in town. We are looking for our way out, just getting familiar with the environment.
Exactly.
She's just being helpful, you
Yes.
know. No need to shake because nothing, help
it's
is
a
very...
friendly conversation.
Exactly.
Please, I didn't come here to fight anyone. Just give me my wife and let me go home.
What is holding your wife?
Your wife
Who is holding her?
She's standing here. You can
Take these village people. They don't understand
when they speak English. I don't know if they understand the grammar that comes out of their mouth.
So I'll see you guys around.
Okay. You are a very beautiful person. Yes, I will take you to Accra.
So we'll see later.
Russian. You'd like to?
For you.
You see, sir.
Listen, you Accra boys or
Hey, hold on. Point of correction. He is a Accra boy. Look at me. I am a Nigerian man. I am not well. Don't look at the type. I'm telling you I will rubbish you here. Don't try me, oh.
whatever. Just stay away from my wife.
See, we are men of peace. We don't, want problem. You understand? And when you're getting angry, your blood pressure is entering into your brain, drawing down to your body, it's making
you see, we have to leave.
Sorry.
Adole.
Madam, have you heard?
Madam Latest, what is it again?
You know this weather is good for gossiping. Eh?
Madam CNN, what is it today?
And there are some things that, my dear, you can't just watch and pass. You will talk. Hey, it's about the national service people.
No, please. What has these people done to you? And you are trying to bring them down.
You know I'm a reporter. Eh? So anything I see, I will say.
I'm not interested, please.
Hey, Fosty, are you sure you haven't fallen for any of them? Huh?
Please, I have class to attend.
Thank you. Hey, look, what is wrong with that one?
I don't know. You can even ask again. I was just talking to her and she got angry and left.
Forget her. Have you heard the latest news?
Al Jazeera.
It's me.
My BBC friend.
What?
World Network.
Nobody.
What is it?
You know, I only give just authentic news.
Mr. Authentic.
Yes.
What is it?
Have you heard the latest about the national service?
That is exactly what I wanted to talk to her about.
Oh, forget about this. She's
and
not
she
correct.
got angry and left.
You know, see the way she did dress. She's wrong. Look, I'm asking myself, where were the authorities when the unauthorized were putting up the structures?
Oh.
Were they sleeping?
I don't know.
Let's just continue with that.
Authentic.
That is me #1 for you.
Hey, these kids are failing though. They are failing exams.
I go. Amen.
Amen.
Teacher, you?
I am fine. Chuku, that is my friend that I made in this village.
I always said you have a very good eyes.
My first friend.
He's the same. He work in progress.
Bona, how are you?
I'm fine.
Teacher, we go to the farm and then I bring you this stuff.
For us. Yeah, I've always said it that you people who come at the right time, I serve the living God. God will bless
Chuku, you know this thing is for me. I don't know why you are talking plenty like this.
It's your name on it. No, check.
Eh? You will just tell everybody that we are hungry in this village. Let them know. Eh?
Are we not?
I bought it for all of you.
Oh, God bless you. You'll be prettier than this one.
This I did. We are going.
Oh, so soon.
Yes.
Oh, come on. You know, he's a small boy. You know, he's still, picking up with our new syllable that we brought to the village.
Syllables?
Yes, it's syllables. Yes. I'll walk you to... Let's go.
Bye-bye. Okay, teacher.
Chauds, baby. How are you doing?
My name is not just Chu. Atku. He's Chuku. I'm a prince.
Chuku. How are you doing?
So you can be this nice.
But I have always been nice.
To who?
To you.
Since when? Because you are hungry. See the speed when you take near my skin. Eh? See the speed when you see this food. You see this? Look at this particular food. You won't eat it. You won't even smell it.
Abba. Ebasama. It's ban kakrebe ya mibisa una akasa bebrebe. Ala taboga. Oya yedim kakra.
You don't even know how to beg. You want to beg. You are even getting hungry with my own food. Eh?
Chuku, I am just kidding. Eh?
If you like, be kidney or lungs. This food you're seeing, look at it. You won't eat it. You won't smell. You sitting down there. You should be making up your mind, not your face. Because this food, you won't eat it. Every time you will be rubbishing me. Oh, you'll be rubbishing me, Prince. Now food, pam, speed. You near here. You won't eat it.
A chick of it.
Hey, you too, a chick of it. What do you mean? cheek of it.
Oh my God, I can't stand Sakweje's smile.
I tell you, you can't imagine the kind of things I've done with him in my mind.
Well, he's hot and all that. But do you really know what I like about him?
What?
His teachings.
Ah, really? You really have a way of messing up moods. Oh.
Yeah. Right. Mr. Man, put down.
My children, how are you?
Hey, keep quiet, Papa. How many of us here can you give birth to? My friend, bring down.
Listen. Listen, I'll do anything you want. Just spare me this embarrassment, okay? Oh, your homework, I've done it.
Perfect.
In fact, this time, if you guys don't come first, change my name, I promise.
But why are you crying?
Oh, I'm not crying, you know. I'm just happy you beautiful boys are my students. Okay, take my bicycle, okay? This evening I'll come and bath you.
Say, what shall I do with him?
Oh. Okay, go.
My friend, move.
Okay, move. Just go.
Move.
Hurry up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, God bless you, sir.
I was born from Saturday to Sunday.
From what time?
6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Madam, welcome.
Thank you.
What's bringing you to my house?
Oh, I am only here to talk to you about your son.
Hey, Bona, this boy will not kill me.
Oh, far from that. You see, Amy, new potential will Banu. He's smart, intelligent, and beautiful. I came here only to encourage you to keep him in school.
Madam, teacher, Bona is my son. See, I work every day, all for Bona. He's the only one I have, madam.
I want to ask you a question, Pocho. Mabufu I. Awala ewa baneswa ewa. Did you give birth to your son at a tender age?
Madam, teacher, it's a long story.
I am 9 when my father and mother give me to a man grown like my father.
You see, in English language, you were 9, not
Chuku, please, not now, okay? Must you show your foolishness everywhere we go? I'm sorry.
My mother and father say it's tradition in village. The man have 11 wives and 26 children.
Hey! Sorry, was it the Igwe? Because that kind of enjoyment only happens with Igwe. 11! Ah!
Is he the father of Bona?
Yes.
I mean, does he come around to check on you guys? Does he help in the upbringing? Does he do his, responsibilities as a father?
No.
No, for which one?
All. Hey. Inti ipede kade papan onsha awo na woban even though I only do inye juman. Ha, this is wickedness.
All men, every man is one. When I'm 15, he bring me home and leave me, sack me. He say, me, I'm bad luck for family. I come home, I see pregnant.
Sorry again, eh? You see, I know that you're in pain. You see, I know that he is a very wicked man. But all men are not one. I am different. And even if all men are one, did you test all of them?
Chuku! Look, this wouldn't happen in Accra. This is preposterous. Unacceptable.
This is no Accra. This my village. Everything happened.
I'm sorry. Really sorry.
11 wives. Oh, wow.
Chuku. Thank God I met you here. See, I'm so tired. Come and help me take this home.
Who is this one too? He looks so dirty.
Come on, Sintim. See, it's not always gonna be like this, I promise.
Who is he talking to? Saint Tim, do you know this man?
No. Let's go.
Go.
Amen.
You are surprised to see me because ages have taken my legs. I am here for my son.
Ah, my lord, please, don't does this. My lord, don't does this, please. You know, Bona is all I get.
But it's all I have too. In fact, it's all we both have. You know what? You have up to full moon to say your final goodbyes and hand over my son.
Ah.
Okay?
Ah, don't does this, please. I'm beg you. Oh. My lord, don't does this. Bona. Hey. Bona.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you all?
We are fine, thank you.
Good. You know what? Some of you really need to tighten up your belt very well. You are here to study and pass. Instead of the gossip and the biting and everything. Look, going through your books, marking it is not encouraging at all. And if care is not taken, most of you will be dismissed from this school or either be repeated. You are here to learn and pass and become responsible citizens. In fact, class prefect, yes, sir. Take their books and share to them, okay?
Chickens! Ukugoma! Idiots! Nonsense! Now listen to me closely. Some of you will not be promoted to go to the next class. You know why? Because my school is a very prestigious school. And I want it to remain like that. One of the best in this country. Some of you will not be promoted. Because I want this school to remain as... Okay. Okay. In fact, some people are different. All fingers are not equal. So some will still be promoted. Okay. The two of you. Follow me.
And who is my boyfriend?
Your boyfriend? Madam, who is your boyfriend? Hey, madam, don't spoil my child.
You know what? I am giving you Mother of the Year.
Thank you. Oh, wait. Where is Bona? School closed.
Good afternoon.
Bona, where are you coming from? You're from the farm. I told you it's dangerous. Don't go there. Be careful. Be very, very careful. Go in there and change. Sorry. Go.
You see, I admire you and your son. I admire how you treat that boy.
That's what I like to do. But I'm not sure I can do it again.
Why? What is wrong? You don't sound happy.
Today, Bona father come. Bona father wants to take Bona away.
What? How can he do that? You have been the one taking care of that boy since he was a child. You can't just want him.
The society we live in.
That is nonsense. That boy is a good child and everybody would love to have a son like him. No doctor and a lawyer and his life will be destroyed and he will become a nobody.
You don't understand.
I don't have to understand. How do you expect me to understand? That is nonsense and it shouldn't be tolerated even here or anywhere. I am surprised at you. How can you give up so easily on that boy? Look at me. I am not giving up on that boy. I will not give up on that boy.
That lies young girls, small girls, whilst grown-up women. Someone like me. I don't know why he doesn't see me. I don't understand.
It's you?
Yes.
You didn't see yourself. But you are not current.
You're not current. Are you current?
Hey Alice, you know check me very well. Say James, you know the kind of ladies I like. Hey,
you. Okay,
fat,
big bottles. What of Akuapem disappointed European?
Oh, that one.
Nigerian
that
guy.
foolish one where they walk like. That one where
they... so I don't even know.
Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm by His grace, so I'm fine.
Are you looking for somebody?
No, actually, I brought this book. My sister left it at home.
Saint Tim. Let me get it.
Oh! No. Don't worry. I don't think she will be happy seeing me around. And besides, anytime her friends see me, it's always a different story.
You mean Saint Tim is your daughter?
No, she's my sister.
Your sister?
Yes.
Sintim is your sister. Oh. That girl that likes older men. Older men. And she likes them in double, 2, 3. At a time. Hey!
Charlie.
No. Ah, the news is making you move around.
Alice, your mouth.
You mean you don't know?
Well, thank you very much. I know what to do. No. I didn't come here to hurt anyone. I thought we settled this already.
Why would you come to the school with a cutlass?
This cutlass is not for you.
But the cutlass is saying otherwise.
Excuse me.
Hey, Mr. James. Oh, why did you take my time to teach when it's not your time?
Hey, you boo. Don't pretend. You see the way you were scared when you saw that man?
You say,
excuse me. Let me tell you something, okay? We were not scared. We were just, astonished to see him.
We were just perplexed.
Yes. See this man.
What? Chuku, let's go and leave these village buffoons. They are of no use to us.
Alice, why you?
Your number was not coming through last night.
I will just slap you. Look at this one.
Hey, Alice, you are into... Ako. How do I look?
My friend, I am here for serious business.
Sorry.
You look disturbed.
Yes, I'm disturbed. Are you not going to ask me why?
Why?
It's Bona. His father wants him.
Oh, how?
Same question I asked myself.
Halaba, if you're not interested, I can take it off. Oh, if you don't want to go out on the date, say no. Why are you bringing Bona into this one?
What is the mother doing about this?
I don't even know. She says she's going to give him out.
Sorry. Did she tell you that, or you're the one who's forcing it out?
I am the one who is forcing it out.
I said it.
Look, guys, we can't allow this to happen. I mean, we all know what that man did to that poor innocent girl.
Of course we can't. But she says the man always has his way.
To hell with that. I mean, that's nonsense. Absolute nonsense.
Did you force that out too?
Chuku, can't you see it when I'm serious?
Hey, who told you that? I can even see your kidney from here. You say I can't see when somebody is serious. What is seriousness that I cannot see? Your intestine self, I can see it. Tell her.
She will know him. Abu, you are drunk. So what are we going to do?
Don't ask me to calm down. It's either she sits up or she stops schooling. I can't be wasting my money for nothing.
It's not a fail. 40 is not a fail. After all, I perform better than most of the students in my class.
Listen to yourself. 40 is not a fail. The last time I checked, 40 is a fail. A very big one. What is wrong with you? I do everything you ask me for. I mean, anything within my capability. See, make no efforts, okay? No efforts at all. Tell me, what do you want?
I want you to leave me alone. Hey! Stop screaming at your brother. Eh? Why are you screaming at him? You all are bullies. Why are you depriving me of the life that I want to live? Look at my friends with all the flashy things. Why can't I get that?
Because you are not them, Cynthia. That is why you cannot have that. And stop talking, no. I told you to stop talking. Stop talking back.
Okay, fine. You want freedom, right? You want to live a life of your choice. I promised mother I was going to take very good care of you. That is exactly what I'm going to do.
Hey! Just leave mother's name out of this. You are part of the reason she died in the first place. Mere drugs you couldn't afford.
At least appreciate the little efforts I do for you. You keep hurting me with your feelings. You want freedom, right? Sorry, I'm not going to give you that. Get a 60 in your next test and I'll allow you to do whatever you want to do.
Rubbish.
Sorry. You know we don't hate you. Eh? We just want what is best for you. Calm down.
I wish I could say so.
You have to sit up or you stop school.
Inti, Yoruba bets na hade ya yewin ya shrimp fast me. We just can't sit here and do nothing.
You heard the man.
Oh, spare me that. So just because he said it's impossible, we will sit here and do nothing.
Who are the we? Who you and who are the we? The man said that we are not the heroes, that we are teachers. You don't hear what though?
Chuku, I'm surprised at you guys. What happened to fighting for what we believe in?
You know what I think? I think we should go see this man and talk to him. Probably give him a very good reason why he can't have the ball.
Diplomatically, right? No fighting. Nobody is fighting for any rights. Don't look at us. This muscle is for dressing, not for fight.
The old man. Do you think this will work?
Oh, why? Are you doubting his thinking skills?
It's okay. It's okay. If you guys think this will work, then let's get going.
What time is your class?
2:30.
Are you children looking for someone?
Daddy, I came here to see you.
See. Are you natives of this town? I have never seen you children around.
Oh, no. We are national service teachers. We came into town like a few days ago. Yes.
Okay. So, what's the problem?
There's no problem.
Oh, there is. It's the nail on the head. Twi.
Actually, we have a student, that happens to be your...
His name is Bona. He says his name is... That's why we are here.
There's a student in our class. He's called Bona, and he hasn't been stable in class lately, so we came...
And am I a stabilizer? What's my business with that, if he's not stable in class?
If not that you are old, I would have said thunder to fire you. But because you are old, listen to me. We are not here to joke. We came here in peace. Yes, but you have to leave the boy and the mother alone. Leave me. Leave the boy alone. The mother has suffered enough.
You see, my son, a baby that rides on the mother's back during travel does not know how much distance the mother has trekked. Talk to your friend.
You poor choy. Please pardon my friends.
Hey, please, don't apologize on my behalf. Don't try it. We came in peace.
Chuk, what is this, I thought we agreed that we'll come and talk to this man, not fight.
Am I not talking?
But you are shouting.
That is how I talk. This is how diplomatic I can get.
He's not from this country, so he doesn't know our culture. Please.
You say? You see, this man is a wicked man. You are a wicked man. You marry a baby, infant, 9 years old.
Sasu? Sasu?
Yes, Papa.
Come.
Is this not one of our students in school?
In class, I'm your student. Yeah, I'm not.
Sasu, these children are trying to undermine my authority. Please let them know how things are done in this community. And let them know
that I am the final say in this community.
Keeper.
What? What is this one? This one that is like cobwebs. And you're walking like a motor. If you try nonsense, I will lift you. I will turn your head and I will drop you. You will die instantly. What? Man of God. You see all those things I was saying, huh? I was just playing. In fact, if you're the Igwe, in fact, you have 11 wives. Igwe.
Daddy, we see this meeting, we'll have it another time again. It's clearly wrong time. You are going.
You see how personally bring the boy to you.
You know what? You can have all the men, but it is not over yet.
Is it not play? Hurry, somebody play.
I was on my way to your house.
Oh, really? I was actually on my way to the farm. Is anything a problem?
Yes, so there's a little problem. But I really want you to help me pass the next test. I need to pass so badly for myself and for my brother.
Sintin, are you willing to do what it takes to pass?
Yes.
I mean, dogging all your friends and this nonsense life of yours and concentrating on your studies.
Yes.
You are sure?
I'm ever ready.
I mean, passing legit, not sleeping with teachers passing.
Yes.
Okay, fine, I'll help you.
Yeah.
But have you done your homework?
Yes.
No, if not. You know, let me go to the farm and come back. I will come and help you with your homework. I will start from there.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
Bye.
Young lady, you are trying my patience. You are getting me angry. Where is my son?
My lord, don't doing this. You can't doing this.
Oh, I can. And I'll prove to you that I can. Look, I am the lizard who jumps down the neem tree and praises himself if no one does. 2 days! You have 2 days to deliver my son to me.
No.
Within that 2 days, if my son is not delivered to me, you see my worst. Oh, and that's your Accra influence, eh? Tell them to fasten their seatbelts or they'll see my worst. They don't know who they are dealing with. 2 days!
Hello.
Please don't hurt me.
Why would I? This is just a friendly meeting. You see, the monkey and the gorilla may claim oneness, but a monkey is a monkey, and a gorilla, it's a gorilla. My daughter, you and your colleagues are doing something that my heart hates. You are coming in between my legs. When something is in between my legs, I cannot walk. I don't need that boy for anything. It's just that you and your colleagues are undermining my authority in this community. So, I've decided I will let you go so that you can tell your colleagues to stay out of my business. Because if I can have the boy, no one can. Trust me, no one. Is that clear?
Me and you, we have to talk.
You don't look too happy.
Yes. Your father, come.
I don't have a father.
But don't talk like that. You have a father.
Okay. What did he say?
He wants you to come and stay.
And what did you say? You're just going to give me out to that monster.
He's not a monster.
What is he then? He is a monster because he's not my father. Where was he when I needed him? Where was he when we needed school fees? He abandoned us for God's sake. And then all of a sudden he's my father. Look, I'm sorry to disrespect you, Mom, but I just can't stay without Mom.
Why you like this? Today will be different. We'll be fine, okay?
Let's pray. So I will be on my way.
I'll see you when you get back.
I think Bona is in trouble.
Ha! Hey, not again. Ha ha, Laba, not again. You like to think too much. Must you think? Must you think? Don't you know if you think too much, you will lean?
Chuku, I am serious. See, the last time I was with the old man.
So you're even dating the man. You're even dating the man. Eh?
Chuku, he arrested me. And he said something like, if he doesn't get the boy, then nobody will.
Wait, what's that supposed to mean?
From my level of education, the one I gathered in France, and my general knowledge to life, I think that means if we don't hurry, that small boy will die.
Wait. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think for the very first time, we are thinking what you're thinking.
Well, I'm done marking your papers, and I got some interesting results. Where's Bona? Absent. I was expecting you to fail. And the rest of you, come to my office for your papers, okay? And steady, keep quiet.
Stand there.
Premiumbeat.com.
Bona mami! Bona mami! Bona mami! Bona, talk to me! Bona, talk to me! Bona! Hey! Hey! Bona! Hey! Bona, talk to me. Call me, Mama. Hey! Hey! Bona, talk to me. Bona, talk to me. Hey, they have finished me. They finished me all. Bona, talk to me. Bona, talk to me. Bona, talk to me.